So off we go from Newlands Corner. So who have we got? We have Mr. Fish. I can't remember his friend. Then there was Big Pez, obviously. Obviously Hippo's here. Phil 48 is here on a Derby City Cross. I think it's about a little half an hour ride, and the weather is terrible. So it looks like it's going to be a case of doing the motorways home from Rikers. I'm glad Baron's come past because I've not got a clue. Did somebody order noise? Aha! This looks familiar. Who's here? Who can we see? Bill made it then, he managed to get fuel. There's Pezza coming out of the woods. So it is half 6. Sit on a junction, mate. Well, it's half 6. Everybody left a while ago, and I was talking to Danny and oh, I forgot her name now. I did this last time, and they come down in the car. They didn't come on the Himis or the Himalayans, and of course everyone left, and we was to talk. I was talking to them, and Weave, I think his name is. I'll definitely have a check out of him. So yeah, it's 144 miles home, and it's looking like it's going to be a nice run, if I'm being honest. I'm not doing the motorway unless it's not unless it rains on me, because I will need fuel. I'm only a little over half the tank. Well, I don't really want to pay motorway prices. I'm not in for that much convenience. So I'm still not going up the A5. I've still said no to that. So what I'll be doing is going up through Oxford and nipping the back of Coventry. It's a Google Maps job, it's not a Cali Moto. So Satnav's saying 10 o'clock I'll be home. That's a no stop, but I'm pretty sure, as I say, there'll be a fuel stop. I can't even check against the how many miles I've done, because when I filled up with yesterday I didn't reset it, so it may be possible on some conservative riding I may make it home without stopping. I'm not going to hold out for it. Oh no. So that's the plan. It's probably, this is as dark as, or this is as light as it's going to be, obviously being 6:30. So I'll wrap it up here. So I'll once again say a big thank you to Hippo-Drones for taking me out on Saturday, as well as Big Pezza for taking me out on Saturday with Hippo-Drones, and thanks for taking me to a decent cafe for breakfast, and also thanks for lubing me up. Obviously a big thanks goes to Mr. Fish for hosting and organising. The end of season meet. Oh, look at that red sky at night, Shepherd's Delight. So I think I'm in for a good run.